This is called Calm, a beautiful first sight. This is called Loon, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, a letting moon icon appear while Do Not Disturb is enabled. This is called Emerald Status Bar Widgets, enhances your status bar with intuitive interactive widgets, displays relevant information as required. This is called Wave Away, tweet that allows you to customize iOS in many ways for free, supports iOS 13 to 14. This is called IK, which is I Know Settings, supports iOS 11 to 14. You have these features right here. This is called CC Power. This is called Marina. It gives you a chance to choose how many icons you prefer to have into your dock, also by adding other options for its site and behavior. This is called Apple File Conduct 2, which is updated, supports iOS 7 to 14, and its modified version of Surt's original AFC2 code that downloads and installs ARM64 copy of AFCD. Requires iOS 11 or above, straight from Apple, and then puts necessary platform application entitlement required functionality on KPP less jailbreaks like Electra and Meridian. So this package does not illegally redistribute copyright Apple binaries. So, and it's actually a security hole. So it's, it removed killed the MDNS responder in this latest update. She's called Success and customized top bar elements, supports iOS 12, 13, and 14. Called Lock Nice, just appearances in lock screen, supports iOS 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Next week, you saw fake GPS, and iOS 5.1 to 14.3 allows you to change your GPS location for your apps and games. This is called Yokomeru animations and utilities for your notifications. This is called Power Cuff and exposes access to hidden power throttling modes for better battery life. This is called No More Cafe Ad Cafe or Caf Ad, and also my Showshay tweak. So it moves neighbor cafe ads. It's called Bottom Toolbar, a useful and beautiful toolbar for your devices. Next is called Gmailer 13, automatically fetch mail in the stock iOS app. This is called Smart Battery 2, ultimate tweak to monitor, save, and tune your battery. It's called Smart Bundle 2, and ultimate it's the must-have tweak to monitor and save and tune your battery. And also you have Smart Network, and it's included with this tweak. So 2 tweets for 1, basically. It's called libfox utils, basic utilities required by all of Fox 4 tweets. It's called Raspberry, play YouTube and YouTube Music in the background. And last week's called Rocket for Instagram. It's another Instagram Plus alternative. So you download the Instagram app from the App Store and gives you the features for Instagram and lets you control these features. So you have all these features for the Instagram app. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.